Hello teacher, my name is Andy Perez. High School Técnico Salesiano Course 10G, Teacher Paula Chaca, Subject English. Today I will present the present perfect and vocabulary adventure travel. Vocabulary adventure travel. I have a good backpacking. It is backpacking trip will you travel. Goodbye, Anne. This is kind of like flying in a balloon where you can see the surrounding nature. Good mountain biking. It is travel by bicycle tip like a racing or used for traveling in mountains. Go on a cruise. This is traveling road trip on a cruise ship. Go rafting. It is the descent in a river, mountain or a raft. Go on a safari. This is will travel to a savannah. Is travel with for see animals. Animal salvages. Good sailing. This is the sailing on the water in the boat. Go to summer camp. It is to go to a camp in the summer. It is to play to recreation activities outside for home. Present perfect with already, just, and yet. Present perfect, just. This is used when we want to express something that happened recently. Its structure, subject, have, just, and verb in past participle, complement. Example: I have just bought clothes. Already. This is used for events happening in the promising time. Its structure is subject, have, already, verb, past participle, and complement. Example: I have already had breakfast. Yet. This is used to describe something that is going to happen, something that has not happened is in the future. Its structure is subject, have, not, has not, verb in past participle, and complement. Example: I have not taken an object. Thanks for listening. Thanks.